We're having now Zila Bioworks, also being an award winner of the ISC3 Innovation Challenge Sustainable Building and Living that was issued in 2020. They were awarded for the 100% BPA-free bioepoxy resin made from industrial hemp. And yes, welcome Jason Purcell. He's CEO of Zila Bioworks. And yeah, we're very curious to see where you are at the moment and what happened, well, merely 2.5 years later. So the stage is yours.
Thank you, Alexis. Hello, I'm Jason Purcell, CEO of Zila Bioworks. At Zila, we've developed a new industrial bioplastic to reduce the carbon footprint for materials critical to a net zero future. Epoxy resins are a type of industrial plastic used everywhere. Slide. Unfortunately, the 4 million tons of epoxy resin we use globally each year have a heavy carbon footprint. Additionally, epoxies and all the other materials in epoxy composites are not recyclable and end up in landfills. Product manufacturers are being pressured to reduce their carbon footprint for a variety of reasons, including retailer requirements, government regulations, and carbon markets. Zila uses vegetable oils, like hemp seed and linseed oil, to create a high-performance, drop-in bioepoxy replacement for a number of different applications. We've identified clear steps to a 78% reduction in carbon footprint compared to petroleum-based epoxies, and our Vitromer technology can help manufacturers deal with the end of life of their products. Zila holds the global exclusive license to 6 issued and 3 pending patents. We're well positioned for new IP, and we hold exact formulations as trade secret. Zila is more than a bioepoxy manufacturer. We are a custom formulator, providing the highest value add in the epoxy supply chain so we can sell our bioresin systems to our product partners without any retooling needed for adoption. There are only a few companies who've been able to create a bioepoxy. However, Zila's resin delivers better performance and 4 times the carbon footprint reduction. Epoxies are a $14 billion global industry and growing. Our go-to-market strategy starts niche, then expands. We started with the ski and snowboard industry as the most accessible early adopters who can give us rapid feedback and help us demonstrate viability in demanding real-world environments. Those industry partners are quick to adopt new technologies, they have high margins, and they require high performance standards. We're now moving to ski OEMs that use a pre-preg process for higher volume production. This will then open us up to more larger market segments such as rackets, clubs, bikes, and helmets. We've also started development in wind turbine blades, which has a longer adoption cycle, however requires significantly larger volumes of resin. We have passed prototype and on-snow testing with Burton, the world's largest snowboard manufacturer. Last month, we shipped resin to Burton to start qualifying our bioepoxy across several board lines. They want to move to full adoption as quick as possible in 2 to 3 years. We're expecting our first commercial volume purchase order from them later this year, and full adoption will be about $3 million annually. Last month, we also shipped samples to Wonder, Woven, Bending Branches, Werner Kayak Paddles, among others. In the pre-preg section, samples also went out last month to the Elan Group in Slovenia and Atomic underneath the Amer Sport umbrella. Initial coupon samples of our wet layout formulation provided excellent results. Just these 4 OEMs listed here produce about 2.5 million pairs of skis, or about $30 million in potential revenue. Vestas, the world's largest wind turbine manufacturer, consumes approximately 100,000 metric tons of epoxy resin per year. After winning the Vestas Innovation Challenge, we formulated our bioepoxy resin for wind turbine blades. Not only did our bioepoxy perform better than a petroleum-based epoxy, in the lab we were able to demonstrate recyclability of both the bioepoxy and the carbon fibers in full-length tact. We're now moving to advanced mechanical and process manufacturing testing to continue to advance in that application. We have a clear pathway to scale up and commercialize our bioepoxy resin platform technology in multiple market verticals. We're in the pilot phase now. We believe that over the next 7 years that we can capture a significant portion of the outdoor industry while laying the foundation for larger market segments. We have an amazing leadership team. Jeff's 40 years of experience makes him one of the premier polymer formulators in the world. Evan is a world-class athlete and engineer who's taken ideas from napkin to full-scale production. Andy is a 17-year veteran in the outdoor industry. Keith Ann is a multidisciplinary scientist and research director with international, academic, and Fortune 500 corporate experience. Brad has experience in international finance and taxes. And myself, I've been working in sustainability for over 15 years, assembling and managing highly effective teams. We have expert advisors and multiple researchers advancing our technology in parallel under the guidance of the Zila leadership team. We're raising $1.5 million US on a convertible note with a first third of the round already closed. These funds will give us 12 months of runway to achieve 2 significant milestones: scaling resin production to 500 tons a year with Monument Chemical, and securing purchase orders in the outdoor industry. To date, Zila has raised about $2.2 million, half of that in grants, and we have been recognized around the globe for innovative technology that reduces the carbon footprint for materials critical to a net zero future. Thanks for your attention. Please reach out if you'd like to learn more.
Thank you, Jason. And very interesting that you're now also active in addressing the problem of wind turbines. We know that how hard those are to recycle, and so yeah, we need solutions in that area as well.